Hi everyone. So I wanted to create this very short welcome video, just introduce myself, tell you a little bit about the class and how we're going to get started. My name is Ryan Moore. I will be your statistics instructor this fall. It'd be great to work with all of you guys. This is actually the first time I've taught a high school class. I've been teaching at Miramar. This is my 7th year. I've been teaching college over 10 years. I lose track a little bit now. This is my first time teaching a high school class through the college, so that's really exciting. It's going to be great having all you guys part of it, even if we're not there face to face. So I like to keep things just a little about me. I like to keep things pretty casual. I just go with the t-shirt here, working from home, and I'm actually here on my front porch. This is where I've set up my office, so I got my shade protect me from the afternoon sun. See my trusty lamp for the evenings. You might be able to see my barbell is chilling right back there in the corner, trying to stay in shape while I'm at home. Um, so this is where I do all my work. My lectures, I videotape here. I've got another camera for that. Um, you won't see me talking like this, see my face. In the lectures, you'll just see a piece of paper of me kind of writing and talking, um, doing the problems and such. So, okay, enough about me. What about the class? So if you're watching this video, that means everything is up and running because I'm not going to send it out before then. So uh, what's up and running? So your Canvas, the Canvas page for the course is really the big one. So the Canvas page, we use this uh, system called Canvas in our college district. So that provides us with a website for all of our courses. So we've got a Canvas page. I'm going to send you, I've attached a document in this email that tells you the details how to log into Canvas. And so you'll be able to do that, and that will become more and more populated with videos and with assignments, of course, as the course goes on. So Canvas is big. Check out that document. I've got a bunch of questions in that document. It's for you to get to know the course and my policies, and for me to get to know you guys a little bit. So answer all those questions, but in order to do that, you will need to log into our Canvas page, and the details like how to log in, the password, the website, that's all on that document. So you can let that guide you. So that's big. So our Canvas page, you want to be very familiar with. And I have posted our syllabus so you can answer those questions. I've also posted our course calendar and some resources, learning resources, suggestions, since we're working remotely and we're not all together in the classroom. Okay, what else? So when it comes to this class, a big kind of thing to work with is like, what's going to be the rhythm of the course? Okay, so I don't know if you guys know, but college courses, they typically meet twice a week. Okay, so classes will either be on Mondays and Wednesdays, or they'll be on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Sometimes different campuses you see the Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but here at Miramar we do either Monday, Wednesday, or we do Tuesday, Thursday. Okay, so I'm going to treat this course as if it was a Tuesday, Thursday course. Okay, so what does that mean? So that means I'm going to post new lecture videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you have a test, it's either going to be on a Tuesday or a Thursday. If you have anything due, it's going to be due on a Tuesday or a Thursday, kind of depending, right? So I think that will keep a nice rhythm, and you'll know, okay, it's Thursday, so I know to check my stats class on Thursdays or Tuesdays or whatever it is. Now, obviously, you can watch these lecture videos whenever you want. You can do the homework whenever you want. The one exception is tests. You have to complete it on the day that I assign it. So, if there's a test day, then that means it'll be available at 6 a.m. and it will close at 11:59 p.m. That night, right? So it'll be open all day. So you got to complete it sometime during the day. But you got a lot of flexibility there. Okay, what else? So you guys have some required materials, but As far as I am aware, the high school provides all that stuff for you. They buy you all that stuff, so that's really nice. Um, our class does not. The way I run it, we don't have a textbook. It's just all my lecture documents. I make these PDFs, and it took me a long time to put that together. So that's going to be our textbook. As far as homework goes, it's all going to be through Canvas. So you're just answering the questions, and they tell you whether you're right or wrong in Canvas. It's nothing you have to pay for. So that's really nice. I do the same thing for my college students as well. Two things you're going to need. You're going to need an online account with StatCrunch. So StatCrunch, I think they buy all this for you guys anyway and provide you, but you'll get like an access code. This is all in the syllabus. You'll go to the StatCrunch website and you'll create an account. I think they're good for 6 months, so that's the way they run it. StatCrunch is great. It's going to be like our stats calculator. It's going to make all these graphs and cool things. As we get deeper into the class, we're going to do more and more with StatCrunch as the class moves on. You also need just a regular calculator, a scientific calculator, nothing fancy. Okay, this is the one that I recommend. Again, this is in the syllabus. I really like this one, the TI-36X. I got the Pro, obviously, but you don't need the Pro. You don't even need this calculator or a TI, but I think it's great. If you're looking for one, you might very well own a scientific calculator. One thing about calculators, no graphing calculators. It's got to be a scientific calculator. Okay. What else? So along with sending you this get to know you exercise, that you're gonna take a look at the syllabus and the course calendar and all that stuff to complete. Besides that, from what I've been told, we're running a little behind. The class was supposed to start last week. As far as I'm aware, they asked me to teach this class a couple days ago, and I said absolutely, let's do it. But we're diving in. We're a little bit late. We're gonna have 14 weeks, which normally have 16 weeks, but that's fine. 2 weeks we can work with that. Okay, so right away, I'm gonna post what you're gonna do for chapter 1. Okay, so I'm still deciding on the due date, but you'll see it there whenever you see chapter 1. That'll be clear. So chapter 1 turns out in stats is terminology. So it's just the language of stats. Okay, and we're going to see all of this language kind of as the course progresses. So there's a super short video that I've got on it, but it's not going to be the typical lecture. And then you're going to complete all of those questions on terminology. That's a better way to learn it. Okay, so that's going to be up as well because we just got to get right to it. And chapter 1 pretty short. It's just the terminology. So we won't spend long on that before we go to chapter 2. That'll be a little bit later this week. And we're just going to be off and running. So I'm really excited about the class. It's going to be an excellent class. I've taught stats about the last 2 years. And by the way, I'm definitely no online guru master. So I try to keep it real simple, right? So you got homework, you got tests. We do labs in stats, which kind of take it to the next level of the applications of these ideas, which in stats it's immediate. You don't have to like stretch, like sometimes you see in algebra classes, the applications they're kind of a stretch, but in stats, it's just boom right there. Super applicable, super useful. Okay, wanted to keep this video short, so I think I'll stop. There is an algebra review. You'll see an algebra review, just what you need to know from algebra, and some arithmetic even is in there, and that's all that you need coming into stats. Okay, so those things are going to be just immediate. What do we got? You got the get to know you, you got the algebra review, and you've got the chapter 1 and the chapter 1 questions. You're going to see all those things on Canvas, and in the email, of course, I included the get to know you, and the instructions on how to submit that is there as well. Of course, you can email me at any time if you have concerns. Okay, last thing I got to say, this will be it. So because it's a Tuesday, Thursday rhythm, we're going to have office hours on Tuesday and Thursday afternoons from 1:30 to 2:30. So all this will be in the Canvas page. The link will be right there. And anytime during that hour, come on in, ask questions. We can go over any homework or anything else, any other concerns or anything else you have about the course. Okay, that's it. That's all I want to say. Look forward to getting to know you guys. That's it. Bye.